Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Mo over at 65 Ford did a video a while back where he was putting boots in tires, and really amazing things that he was able to do with an off-road vehicle and a big frickin' hole side of the tire. After seeing that video, I checked with him, and he said that he used 3M Scotch Weld, plastic and rubber instant adhesive. And I thought, man, that works really good. And I'm going to try it on something. I've got a tube here with a leak in it. It's actually split open. Now, I know this isn't an ideal test for the glue, but I just wanted to see if it would work on that split. So I'm going to give it a shot. Taking the opportunity to use this Inland Pump Manufacturing Company tire pump. First time I tried using it, it wouldn't pump at all. And I thought, well, maybe the check valve's bad. Then I took off this fitting and realized that this fitting was loose. Go figure. I think this hose was designed to be taken off. This was put away by folding down, removing this pin, letting this handle flop back, and then you put it in the boot. Because the way you used it, you clamped it to the running board. Remember when things had running boards? Yeah, Elliot Ness liked them. He would charge into town with his machine gun hanging out the side of it and blow away the bad guys with his Tommy gun. Well, we don't have running boards anymore. Although some trucks have rock bars on the side, which kind of qualify. Not something I'd want to stand on if I was going very fast. But then, you know, what the heck. Fire trucks have them. Some of them. Not all of them. The older ones did. You'd see the firemen go charging off to the fire, standing on the side of the truck, hanging on to the handrail, and with their coat and hat flapping in the breeze. Yep, good old days. Anyways, so now I've hooked up the hose to the valve stem, and I put pressure into the tire and found the leak. Well, since it's a nice slit, it opens right up. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to take some of this glue. I bet this nozzle is plugged up. So I'm just going to open up the thing and take some and rub it on there. Spin that nozzle back on. I'll see if I can open that up after I get done with this. Now, yeah, I'm getting it all over my fingertip. Well, one of the things about these little tubes is they have little tiny print on them. But I have giant magnifying glasses. Well, lots of things about what not to do. Nothing tells me how long it takes to set up. "3M Scotch Weld PR Gel." Power of the Internet says, oh yeah, you can buy it on eBay. You can buy it all over the place. And instant adhesive. Walmart. 24-hour cure time. Well, this job is going to have to sit and wait a while then. 24-hour cure time. That's tomorrow evening. Seeing as how it's 7:48 p.m. on Friday, I'll be able to look at this again on Saturday. Oh well, something to look forward to. And tomorrow we'll know if the tube worked. I'm pretty sure that 3M glue is going to hold it. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.